MRN 545 again with another bike check. This is my other bike, my mountain bike. It's one of my downhill. It's also my dirt jumper. It's pretty cool. I like for mountain bike riding downhill. It's a little fast. Nice. It's a KHS DG50. I forgot what year. It's either 2000. I think it's 2008 or 2009. Aluminum or steel. I don't know what kind of frame it is. Whatever it is, yeah, I think it's aluminum because there's no rust on it. I have some scratching. But yeah, aluminum frame. Probably not Kamala, probably just all aluminum. Yeah. So cool. We got in here. It's kind of weird for a mountain bike too. Like used to BMX bikes. RST launch suspension. These are about a 7.5 inch travel. Yeah, cool. Really nice. Never bottoms out. Never. And I never want to. So yeah. Little adjusters right here for spring tension, preload, stuff like that. Right here we got Sun City rims, the Rhino light rim. Pretty damn light. These are actually titanium spokes. They're the lightest spokes you can buy. Has a Shimano hub. Hasn't spin for a long time, but it's lightweight. That's all I care about. That's in light kind of. Get my front end more for better stuff like that. Pretty nice. I think they're called VP pedals. There's some stock pedals from when I got them. I'll probably get new pedals. Probably like plastic ones. Or some like solar therm lights like I have on my BMX bike. Anyway, we got some True Vivid, whatever. It's spelled weird. I don't care if I'm saying it wrong because I don't care. That's the thing. So, yeah, let's get here. Yeah, just the left guard. I think the top right here is a 36. Top one. Bottom's like 28. So, um, KMC chain, which I've had for 2 years. I've always ran KMC chain. So, nice. Shimano, Veo Tangler, derailleur. Nice 8 speed in the back. 8 speed. Oh, nice. Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot the. I'll get that later. Yeah. Well, HF seat. Okay, this rail. Had regular old seat. Yeah. Disc brakes. So kind of brakes. Yeah, they're the Shimano V brake disc. I don't know why they call them V brake, but yeah, they're disc and they're really nice. Had this bike for almost 4 years now, and I don't need new pads except for the back end. So there's new pads in the back. Don't know what the bars are exactly, but they're some type of chromoly something aluminum. Just some regular old stem, whatever stem. 50 mil reach, 10-degree upsweep. Kind of weird. I don't know what the bar is. Probably like a 1 inch, 2 inch rise by probably 27. 40 pounds. Pretty heavy, but it's fun. That's basically my bike.